everyone, it's Friday. My cousin Andrew and I are going out to breakfast right now.
Yes, we are.
That's Andrew.
Hi, everybody.
And yeah, so
we literally have perfect.
We did. So we're leaving IHOP now. That's where you I and you hop. Now we're going to the mall.
Get the magic of Disney delivered to you in the comfort of your own home. At DisneyStore.com, you'll find a whole range.
When I was little, I used to have all of this stuff in the Disney store. All of it, I'm not kidding around. And they had like all these little outfits and everything. I was so spoiled. But now they have like the new princesses, like Rapunzel and Tiana. Yeah.
Trick or treat, tell the neighbors gonna die of rain. It's our town, everybody's free. This time of Halloween, I am the one. Pumpkins everywhere. Life's no fun without a good scare. That's our job, but we're not me in our town of Halloween.
This is where it's a good time to constantly get the fucking No, I'm gone. I'm already gone. Wow. Oh, who got that? I did.
Whoa! Whoa! Alright, so I'm about to go to bed, and I hope you all had a great day today. I know I did. I had a lot of fun hanging out with my cousin and my cousin's dog and my brothers when they came and visited us. So I'm about to go to bed, and I will see you all tomorrow. I hope you have a great day or night, and sweet dreams, and good night, guys. Bye.